guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using some vinyl, and I bought some little miniature easels at Michael's quite a while ago, and they were originally $15, but they were 50% off when I purchased them. And they can go on a table or a drink station, anything like that. And I want to make some cute fall signs. So that's what we're going to do this week. So I already have Design Space loaded here. Now, what I'm going to do is just go to the circle with the plus and click on it. And we'll get started. Now, you can just go over to the left-hand side where it says Images and type in fall like we've been doing, and then these fall designs will pop up, and let me find the ones that I want. Okay, I want this one that says pumpkin pie, hot cocoa, candy corn, crisp apples, pumpkin spices, apple cider, and fall treats. I think I may put that on my drink station. And then I think I want this one that says pumpkin spice everything, and this one farm fresh pumpkins. Okay, when you click on them, it will put this green box around it. Now we're going to the bottom right corner, insert images, and click on that, and that will put these on our canvas. Okay, and I'm going to measure these little easels, and it looks like it can be 3 wide, so I'm going to click on this. Let me zoom in. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go up to the top where it says size. There's a little lock there, so I'm going to unlock it. Then I'm going to change the width to 3.0, and then the height almost 4, not quite 4, like maybe 3.8. I think I can get by with that, okay? And that's going to be that one, okay? And I might make this, I'm going to unlock this, I may make this 3.9. It's so close to 4 that it's not even funny, okay? And I'm going to do the same for this one. Going to change this to 3.0 for the width and 3.9 for the height. I think those are going to be so cute. And then this one, same thing. You click on it and that blue box will show up. You unclick the lock and then you just go in here, 3.0, and we're going to do 3.9 there and lock it back, okay? Now, okay, so we're just going to go, and you'll look over here in the layers panel. These are all cut, okay? So we are going to hit make it, and we're going to be using a lot of mats, but that's okay because you can reuse your mats. Okay, so we are going to, and you definitely don't want to mirror these because, let me zoom in, you're going to use your transfer tape and put it over top of this when it cuts out, and then just place it down. So if you would mirror it, it would be backwards. Okay, so we're going to go to continue and hit continue. Okay, now I'm going to be using Arteza vinyl, so I need to set mine on cardstock. Okay, so let me get my mat. Okay, the next time you see me, we will be cutting this adorable little signs out. Okay, here are my little easels that I picked up at Michael's. You got 3, and they're double-sided. And they were from Art Minds, and they're DIY table settings. And like I said, you get 3 pieces, okay? So I have my standard grit mat here. And I'm going to cut this first because, and I'm using the Arteza vinyl once again because I really like the colors. I don't like that I have to cut it on cardstock, but I like everything else about it. You wouldn't have to use the Arteza at all. Okay, I'm going to insert this in my Cricut and hit this blinking arrow and then the blinking C to cut. I think these will be so cute. Okay, I've decided that I want to use this deeper orange, and with the Arteza, I'm going to have to put it on the notch before cardstock with this because it was so small, it was just kind of basically eating it up. And I haven't had that problem before, but so we will start this. I have my Cricut set to the notch right before light cardstock. Normally I cut it on cardstock, but I'm going to see what this does. And then the blinking C to cut. That's the only thing about the Arteza vinyl. I love the colors, but I do not like how you have to play with it to see how it will cut. My glasses came in. I'm glad about that, both pair. So I'll show them to you on Tuesday. I just can't see up close with them. I can see far away. Okay, so we'll eject this and take a look and see what we think. I think maybe that's going to work. Okay, so I will go ahead and cut the rest of these out. I know you know what I'm doing, and when I get them all cut out, I'll be back. Okay, I have everything printed out. I have my transfer tape, and I have my little easels. Okay, so the first one we are going to do is the pumpkin spice everything, okay? So let me take my glasses off for this so I can see really. Okay, what we're going to do is the Farm Fresh pumpkins. Okay, so now we're going to weed it. I have it. Okay, I switched it to cardstock. Some of this has to be cut on cardstock and some of it light cardstock. Okay, now I'm going to put this on here. It works, like I said, much better if you cut it on cardstock. I just don't have very good luck. Some things, if it's very intricate, try light cardstock. If it's not really intricate, then you're going to have to do cardstock. Okay. Just make sure you get up in there in the corners really well. Okay, and then we need to get our fresh really well. Okay, that's what we're getting so far. I hope you can see. I think that's so cute. Oh my goodness. Now we're going to put our farm and our pumpkins. So we're going to weed this one. I have so much stuff out here. It's probably hard to see anything. And this This little F has a itty bitty little slit down through here. And I got that off. Just have to be really careful. Make sure Alright. Now we'll put our transfer tape on. Okay, then we're going to adhere this. This is so cute. The possibilities are limitless. These cost so much money if you go out and try to get them. And this way you could make it for your drink station to say whatever you wanted. Or anywhere in your decor. So cute. Okay, that's what we're getting so far. And then we're just going to do our pumpkins. And in here. But I would put it on cardstock unless it's intricate. And if it's intricate, it will eat it up. That's so cute. Oh, I love it. That's what we have. You could embellish it further by putting little Dollar Tree pumpkins on it if you want, but I don't want to. I think it's adorable, okay? I love that. That is so cute. Okay, let's work on our next one. I'm usually not this messy. Okay, so I'm going to weed this. And I know you know what I'm doing. Now see, I cut this small one, the very delicate one, on light cardstock. And that's what you have to do with that. All right, that's pumpkin spice. Here is pumpkin pie. This is so cute. All right, we'll put this on here. So it says pumpkin pie to begin with. Okay, let me see. Pumpkin pie. I'm going to put this up high so I don't want to run out of room. So I know you know what I'm doing, so I'll go ahead and continue this, and when I get this done, we'll take a look at them. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, here they are. Here is this one. I only made 2 of them, and I had to tweak this one because that Arteza vinyl, it was so frustrating. It kept either shredding it if it was really delicate. Sometimes if I would set it on light cardstock, it would work. Sometimes it wouldn't. I cut this on light cardstock
and cardstock, and then even the dial before light cardstock. I have never been so aggravated in my life. But I love how it turned out. Like I said, I love their collars, but it's really, with this project, it wasn't worth the hassle, okay? And then this one is here. Now this one cut much easier because I guess it was bigger and not quite as intricate. But I didn't make my third one because it was just too much. It was driving me nutty. But I'm going to use this where my candy station's going to be. And I'm not sure where I'm going to put this, but I think they turned out so pretty. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.